What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Maureen, and if you're new here or if this is your first video, I am a sewing blogger, but I also just got married. Okay, so I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, and in my heart of hearts, I feel like I owe y'all not necessarily an apology, but just an explanation as to why I've been absent and just kind of catch you up on some things that have been happening to me in life. And so I looked at my YouTube channel and I noticed that like my last video was like a month ago. And so I was like, sheesh. So listen, we got married. I'm going to show y'all some pictures of that. And then I got COVID. And then Joe's grandmother died. And so we just had the funeral last week and we had to postpone our honeymoon. But one thing I keep remembering is that delayed doesn't ever mean denied. So our honeymoon is next year, but let me tell y'all about the content coming up. All right, so first off, yes, got married, did change my hair just because I kind of got tired of like the wash and go thing. Plus we were going to the funeral, we would be out of town for a week, and I just kind of wanted something that was low maintenance. So these are some butterfly locks that I did myself. These are super lightweight, but this is not a hair channel. So let's get back to sewing and content and whatnot. So instead of, creating honeymoon content, which I was literally in the middle of, and I have bathing suits and I have two-piece outfits that I could totally share, I actually have some really exciting news. So for those of you who don't know, I am not just a content creator and a sewist and a designer and all that, but I do have a day job. And so my day job is a recruiter. And so my company is based out of Canada. And so my department director wants us all to come out to Prince George in Vancouver next month to visit. And so I couldn't be happier just because one, I get to leave the country. Two, I've never been to Canada. And three, hello, I get to make a wardrobe. So yeah. I'm pretty stoked about it. Like my face isn't showing it, but it's also like 10 o'clock at night and I'm recording this. So bear with me. I am excited. So we won't get to see any honeymoon content, but I will be showing you some Vancouver, Prince George content. I promise you that. I already have some ideas up here. Okay. The next thing is our honeymoon is delayed till next year. I know, but just to kind of let you know a little bit about me and Joe. Joe is a sports anchor at a local TV market. And let's just say I become a football widow in the fall because of all the teams playing, high school, college, and then on the national level, it's a lot. So we won't have our honeymoon this year. We're actually going to have it next July. And that's fine because, again, delayed never means denied. Plus, the cruise is going to be a nicer ship, nicer room, extra day means I get to make an extra outfit. It's all good. Last thing, we do have a trip planned later in the year. We like to go somewhere in December just because there is a week of reprieve between the holidays that he gets to have with work. And so this is our, I guess you could say, de facto family vacation, annual family vacation that we've just kind of come up with over the last couple of years. And so we are going on vacation at the end of the year to the Bahamas. I couldn't be more excited about that. So some of that honeymoon content is definitely going to be used for the Bahamas. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of update y'all on everything happening with me. I haven't disappeared. I've just been dealing with life. And so I know that so many of you can relate to that. And I'm just rolling with the punches at this point. 2020 just really showed me like you really just have to like either like get up and deal with it, sleep in and deal with it, or deal with it and cry about it later. And so I feel like if certain things haven't happened over the last couple of years that have taught me to just deal with it, I probably wouldn't be taking this news as well as I have been. But again, you know, it's just honestly, I still couldn't have a better year. I still am going on another trip. And so I still get to create beautiful content for y'all. And yeah, so anyway, coming up in the next couple of weeks, I do have a fabric haul that I want to share with y'all. That's going to have some fabric that I bought for the Vancouver trip. Some I just thought was cute and maybe I have future plans for it. So I have lots of things that I definitely want to share with y'all. But again, I just felt like I would be remiss if I just didn't share this little bit of life update with y'all. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, if you're new here, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.